In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Canva design and save it as a Word document. This can be particularly useful if you've created something in Canva and now need to edit it in Microsoft Word for further formatting or sharing purposes. Starting off, you need to visit the Canva website. Open your preferred browser and navigate to canva.com. Once there, make sure to log into your Canva account. This is important because you'll need access to your designs, or you'll be creating a new one if this is your first time. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the Canva homepage. Directly below the search bar, you'll notice some options. Hover your cursor there and click on Doc. This will allow you to create a new document, which is the first step in converting your design to a Word format. You can begin designing, or if you already have a design ready, proceed with that. After creating or selecting your document design, you will go to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you should see a Share button. When you click on it, a menu will drop down, revealing different sharing and downloading options. Now, you're going to want to click on the Download icon. It's usually represented by an arrow pointing downwards, familiar to most for downloading files. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose the file format you want to download. For this, select the DOSX format, which is the standard format for Microsoft Word documents. You might also see an option for a PDF standard. This format also works in Microsoft Word, but DOSX is typically preferred for direct editing. Next, you're presented with options for the page size. It's recommended to choose A4 as this is the most commonly used page size for documents in most countries. However, Canva does offer other sizes like A3, letter, and legal if your design requires it. Once your preferences are set, simply click on the Download button to save your document onto your device. After downloading, open your Microsoft Word application on your PC. On the left-hand side, you'll see the option to Open. Click on this option. Once there, you'll click on Browse, allowing you to search your files for the document you've just downloaded from Canva. Navigate through your folders until you find your downloaded file. Pay attention to where your file automatically downloaded, because different browsers usually have different default folders. Finally, select the file by clicking on it, and then click Open. Your Canva design is now opened within Microsoft Word, ready to be edited or shared as needed. And there you have it. It's that simple. With these steps, you've successfully converted a Canva design into a Word document. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!